When you file for bankruptcy, there is one court appearance that you must attend. It is called the meeting of creditors or the Section 341 meeting. A lot of my clients have never been to court before, so they don't know what to expect, and they have lots of fear about what's going to happen. But the truth of the matter is, it's a very straightforward procedure. The first thing you have to understand is, no one there is going to judge you. The moral judgment and blame that you place on yourself exists solely within you. The bankruptcy court is not there to tell you you're a bad person for filing for bankruptcy. The bankruptcy court is simply there to make sure that you get protection from your creditors and that you pass all the numbers tests to get the discharge that you're entitled to. Bankruptcy is really a numbers game. If you qualify for bankruptcy, you will get your discharge. But nowhere along the way will anyone come to you and say, "Oh, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, you are bad people for filing for bankruptcy, and now we're going to make you feel terrible at this court hearing." That's not the meaning of the court hearing. The court hearing is designed for the trustee to review your case and look for any non-exempt assets or assets that have not been properly exempted. That's all there is to it. No one's there to make you feel bad. The trustee isn't going to ridicule you for filing for bankruptcy, nor will the bankruptcy judge. That's not how the system is set up. Although we equate bankruptcy with being a bad idea or a bad thing to do, the fact of the matter is that bankruptcy is really about the court giving you the breathing space you need from your creditors. The bankruptcy court is really more about protecting you than it is condemning you. And once you learn to think like that, once you realize that change of perception, once you understand that that myth is not true, you'll come to look at bankruptcy in a whole new different way. So, do not be concerned about the court hearing. It will go fine. We'll be there with you the entire time, and we will sit at the table with you with the trustee, and we will step in if we need to. But in 99% of the cases, the trustee will ask you a few basic questions, you'll answer them truthfully, and you'll be on your way in less than 5 minutes. For the cases that get complicated, we'll be there and we'll step in. What I always tell my clients is, until you see me sweating, you have nothing to worry about.